Hi, a very happy new year to all my audience from Food Kingdom Originals. Today I'm here with a very khatta meetha recipe which is amazing and quick to make, and this is one of my favorite. So without wasting much of your time, we'll tell you the name first and then we'll take you through the ingredients. So the name of the recipe is Gujarati Kadhi, and I'll just tell you the ingredients now. So for this we need 2 cups of curd, right? Then we need 5 spoons of besan, right? You can reduce the quantity as per your family members, right? Then we have taken 2 bay leaves, then some dried red chili, 3 to 4 dried red chili, then 1 small cinnamon stick, right? And some 4 to 5 pieces of cloves. Then some 2 to 3 spoons of sugar, depending upon the taste. I mean, whether you want quite meetha, so you can add more sugar. If you want okay types, you can add 2 to 3, right? Then some grated ginger, you can take the paste as well. Some chopped green chili, some 3 to 4 chopped green chili. Some salt will be as per the taste. Then some curry leaves, some coriander leaves, this is for the garnishing. Some hing, and here I have taken some cumin seeds, jeera, 1 spoon jeera, 1 small spoon of mustard seeds, rai, and methi. This is 1/4 spoon of metha, right? This is methi. So now we'll firstly combine curd and besan, right? We'll just transfer this into a bowl. So here I am going to transfer the curd, both the bowls, into a bigger one, right? So here goes the first one. You can supposingly if you have few members, 2 to 3 members, or if you're making it for yourself, then you can reduce the quantity of curd, and accordingly you can adjust the quantity of rest of the ingredients also. So here goes another one. Then I'm going to add besan. This is 5 spoons of besan. Then I'm going to add ginger. Then green chili. Sugar. And salt will be as per the taste. Now here we'll be needing ghee as well, we'll be needing water also. Now since I have taken 2 this size bowls of curd, so I'll be taking 3 bowls of water as well, right? So firstly I'm going to mix it properly. I'm going to make a smooth paste. So here during mixing I'll be adding 1 bowl of water and rest 2 bowls of water later stage, right? So you have to make a smooth paste. So here I'll be adding first bowl of water. So we are going to add 3 bowls in total. So first I have already added. Just mix it slowly, very gently. And rest of the 2 bowls I'll be doing it later. So here I've added green chili, I've added ginger, I've added salt, sugar, and once it is done, after forming the smooth paste, I'm going to prepare the chonk with those spices which I showed in the beginning. See, this is also done. Just keep mixing it. So make sure there is no lumps left. Wow. Just love it. People like me who is khatta meetha lover, they should try this because this is not that difficult or that time consuming, unlike Punjabi curry. Now I'm going to prepare chonks. So for this I'm going to add some ghee into kadhai. You have to be very careful while after transferring the batter into the kadhai, because you have to stir it continuously. So now I'll start with, wait for a few seconds. After that I'll start with these spices. I'm going to add jeera, 1 small spoon of jeera into this. Then goes mustard seeds, then methe, then bay leaves, these spices, curry leaves, some hing. I'm going to put this mixture of curd and besan into the kadhai. Just keep the flame medium. I'm going to add water into this now. Here I'm going to add rest of the 2 bowls of water. 1 and 2. I'm going to boil it on a high flame. It won't take more than 4 to 5 minutes, and after that you have to reduce the flame to medium. So let's wait for 1 boil on high flame. See, it is about to boil in few seconds. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to reduce the flame to medium, and I'm going to cook this for another 8 to 10 minutes. Right, and but most important thing that you have to keep stirring in between. See, I've cooked this for another 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add some chopped coriander leaves. Some I'm going to put right now, and rest I'll be keeping it for garnishing. You can see the color. Amazing fragrance is coming of hing and all the spices. Just 2 more minutes. After that I'll just transfer this into another bowl and we'll do the garnishing. Guys, I just would like to tell you one more thing. Since I am very fond of khatta meetha thing, right? So you can adjust the quantity of sugar and salt as per your taste, right? If you're a meetha lover, khatta meetha lover, you can increase the quantity of sugar, or you can keep normal. You can go as per the taste or as per the taste of your family members. See, it's done. I'm going to turn off the gas now, and we'll transfer this into another bowl. My god, it's super duper mouth watering. I just feel like jumping on it. You can have it with rice, puran poli, or parantha. So the final garnishing I'm going to do with coriander leaves. See guys, it's done. I've transferred it and done the garnishing also with coriander leaves. So do try. Very simple and very tempting recipe. And if you like it, then do subscribe to my channel. We'll be coming back with a new video soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye-bye. Happy New Year once again.